What word? You're making a video.
Duh. Instead of the, you should be like noun.
Can you go in? What's the matter, Dave?
Dave, instead of saying word, you should be like noun.
Where'd he go? Guys, look at him out in the water. Let him go.
He's running pretty quick.
Oh, bugger. Kind of.
He's dead.
Now.
I'm gonna swim to the thing.
Here you go.
What word?
Just follow him underwater. So you can see his
Noun.
feet fall down.
Okay.
You'll actually get a pretty good shot.
Go.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
No, you have to like hold it in the water.
Okay. It's going.
I'll even jump right
It's
there.
going in the water. Go.
I'll do the sun on the side of it.
Go. It's filming. Yeah. Go. I wonder what that looks like. Where did he go?
That wasn't even a good one.
Okay.